Okay folks, now where we had one of our Christmas trees by the back sliding doors, we got nothing. So we're gonna fix this up with a plant stand and get some green in here. Stay with us and we're gonna repot some plants and make this spot beautiful again. At my take on home and garden. Okay, so we're going to take one of these butterfly bolts, expander bolt, and we're going to drill a 1/2 inch hole, put it in here where we want the planter hanging basket to be. So right off the wall here, get that to expand, and most people are used to these, some aren't, and then we'll tighten that until it's snug. So we got our 2-tiered pot hanger, and we got a little plant stand table, and then we have our plant stand over here. So our first plant here with this beautiful variegated leaf is called aglonema, and it does well in the house within the range of a window. Not too close, not too far away. So here's what we added, this Dieffenbachia, which is a great house plant because of its variegated leaf and beauty and the way it does well inside. We transplanted that from the nursery pot. Behind that, some white calla lily, which they're seasonal, but if you keep them in the shade mostly, they'll bloom again, and you'll have them next year again. Then up above, the double planter, we have pothos on the bottom, then a little philodendron on the top. Now we're going to repot this rubber tree and this majesty palm. We're going to put gravel in the bottom and then a plastic piece over the gravel. Beauty of black cow. I swear you can hear the plants thanking you. We're going to finish with our all-purpose just cover any root hairs. So we're going to dolly these in, not make a big mess. We have a nice southern facing window here for this majesty palm, which should do really well in the house. And we're gonna get the other plant. Almost did that without getting any dirt on the floor. Look what that does. Anyway, if you can't tell by now, I think plants and trees and flowers are everything. They take very little from us, like our exhale, carbon dioxide, and they give and give and give. They give oxygen, they give beauty, they give loyalty. They're just wonderful. My thought for the spring for you is incorporate in a couple more plants. You'll love it. Now I want to show you a product here that we use. It's a systemic houseplant insect control by Bonide. You can order it on Amazon. It might be in the garden center at your favorite store. They're tiny granules that you put around, away from the trunk of the tree, because as hard as we try, the pests and the gnat eggs and the white flies eggs and all them irritating things. Also, we have a link below for the insect repellent on Amazon. So I highly recommend this. That, a little Miracle Grow, and I'm going to show you one more thing that's an absolute must. Real big on misting your plants. Just gotta stay away from your furniture. You want to recreate the way they live in nature so that they'll survive and do a good job for you. I think 3 times a week is nice. And I have a little Miracle Grow in this water, just a little bit, and they respond. One more helpful hint. If you're fortunate enough to have aloe in the garden, which we do, I like to cut a piece, a leaf, take the thorns off the edge. This just came out of the refrigerator because we use it all the time. And I'm going to take a section of that and put it in my starter water. Now what's that going to do? It's not a big secret. It's going to neutralize and take out the chlorine that was in the city tap water. So that's in my feeder container, water can, and the starting. Remember, here's our philodendron, our little cocoa bear, succulent, and here's our red leaf aglaonema, our arrowhead, and our cora. Rubber tree, majesty palm, so folks, if you like this content and you want to see more, share and like this video. Subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.